Let's say you sell fruit. Do you put a little chemical on if the chemical does not seem to have any adverse effect to humans? My name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 2, number 33, which deals with exactly that issue. 33 reads, the writer wants a conclusion that conveys how the shortcomings of one MCP presented in the passage affect the actions of the people in the fruit industry. Which choice best accomplishes this goal? So what I tell my students is whenever you have a long question like this, you want to see how many parts it is. And it's kind of subtle, but first thing is it's got to conclude the passage. The second thing is it's got to tell something that's not great about one MCP, some shortcoming. And the third thing is it's got to involve people in the fruit industry. Let's go to the answer choices. The sentence starts with although, but instead of just scrolling all the way up, I just wrote although right there. So although researchers continue to search for the right combination of factors that will keep fruits fresh and attractive, the problem may be that consumers are overly concerned with superficial qualities rather than the actual freshness of the fruit. People in the fruit industry are not mentioned there at all. Answer choice B. Although researchers continue to search for the right combination of factors that will keep fruit fresh and attractive, many of the improvements to fruit quality they have discovered so far have required trade-offs in other properties of the fruit. So it sounds like it's implying it's one MCP trade-off. It sounds like it's hinting at something bad. It still doesn't mention people in the fruit industry. We must eliminate. Answer choice C. Although researchers continue to search for the right combination of factors that will keep fruits fresh and attractive, for now, many fruit sellers, people in the fruit industry, must weigh the relative values of aroma, color, and freshness when deciding whether to use one MCP. Now you'd have to take this into context with the rest of the passage, which is one of the reasons that this question is difficult. Previously in the passage, if you saw a video, maybe it was on number 25 or 24, it talks about how you don't get the expected aroma for certain kinds of apples when you use one MCP. So that is a drawback of one MCP. It is a shortcoming of one MCP. It's something that's not great about one MCP. Fruit sellers, it's talking about the fruit industry. Is it concluding? Well, it is concluding because it's saying that, hey, fruit sellers, this is what you got to decide on. And it ends it kind of throws the ball in the fruit seller's court to decide. It looks like C is our answer. But we do want to investigate answer choice D to make sure that is not our answer. Although researchers continue to search for the right combination of factors that will keep fruits fresh and attractive, it must be acknowledged that one MCP, despite some inadequacies, so it looks like we've got inadequacies of one MCP, has enabled the fruit industry, mentions the fruit industry, to ship and store fruit in ways that were impossible before. Talking specifically about shipping and storing fruit. This is not concluding the paragraph. Why? Because now I'm expecting some information about shipping and storing fruit, which the passage just ended. It's not a conclusion. So your correct answer here is C. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so don't miss anything. Have a great day.